Jom kita tengok the last part of 6.4, treatment for cancer. Treatment normally bermula dengan surgery. Surgery di mana the doctor akan remove the tumor tu lah. And kalau case cancer tu kan dia dah merebak pergi ke badan dan pergi ke other parts of the body. So, doktor akan suggest chemotherapy. Chemo means chemical therapy rawatan. Jadi, the patient will be injected with chemicals or medicine so that the drugs will target and kill the cancer cell. However, the risk is not only cancer cell will be targeted, some healthy cells also affected. That's why diorang ada gugur rambut, lepas tu tak lalu makan semua tu. Right, next adalah radiotherapy. So radiation means sinaran. Jadi kita akan gunakan to be exact gamma ray kita akan guna gamma radiation. So gamma radiation tu kita akan target pergi ke that tumor or cancer. Jadi this one kita boleh reduce the chance of killing healthy cell lah. Jadi which treatment depends on the person, depends on the berapa teruk cancer dia semua tu. Kadang-kadang surgery je dah okey, kadang-kadang kena combine dengan chemo, kadang-kadang combine dengan radio. So that's the treatment done.